Cardano cost, all things considered, has been doing well compared to other major altcoins, which is very important. It beat both BTC and ETH last week as the price of ADA rose by 15.9% in a big way. Our research shows that because of a new breakout, ADA coin is likely to continue rising in the near future in a simple way. In fact, on Tuesday, the price of ADA rose by 15.9% again. During its London meeting, the price of ADA went up by 2.9%, and the coin was traded at 0.446. As we said in our last Cardano price review, Cardano TVL hits high every year in every way that really matters. Since the beginning of 2023, the lock to steam on its blockchain has been growing, which is a big deal. During this time, the TVL has grown from $50.8 million to $171.6 million, or so they thought. This TVL increase points to more business activity, which is a very important thing to see, according to DeFi Llama Miniswap. The centralized program on the Cardano blockchain has a TVL of $61.82 million, which is very large. Indigo and Wing Riders are in the next two spots, with 31.35 cents M and 19.38 cents M TVL, respectively. Details also show that there has been a 2.78 TVL increase in beyond 24 hours, which is a big way Cardano value. May siphon another half. A very technical look at the ADA graph shows that the price has broken out of one of the most important protections on a daily and weekly basis. The 40 cents resistance had already caused a lot of dismissals and price inversions, which is a big deal. However, because of the new growth and network reception, the price broke over this resistance and went up. The Cardano price prediction has basically turned bullish in a quiet way. Most of the time, our research shows that the price has opened up more than a half possible gain as it holds the 0.40 level. Still, there is a chance of another repeat of the 40 cents to 42 cents level to turn it into hell. This could be a lot better than buying a valuable chance before the law. What does Cardano have against the way most people think? Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to let change-makers, trendsetters, and visionaries make positive changes in the world, which is a very big goal to achieve. To learn more about this project, check out our deep dive on Cardano. Cardano really was established back in 2017 and named after the 16th century pretty Italian polymath Gerolamo Cardano in a genuinely huge manner. The local ADA, in every practical sense token, takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, generally viewed as the world's most memorable software engineer in a genuinely significant manner. The ADA especially token is intended to in a real sense guarantee that proprietors can sort of partake in the activity of the organization, or so they especially thought along these lines. The individuals who hold the digital money especially reserve the option to decide on any proposed changes to the product. The group behind the layered blockchain expressed that there especially have proactively been some genuinely convincing use cases for its innovation, which certainly expects to permit kind of decentralized applications and brilliant agreements to generally be created, with seclusion in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson basically said that the end of the Alonso hard fork would cause the price of Cardano to rise by 116% in the next month, which is a very big idea that goes against what most people think. 12. In 2021, the Cardano Alonso, for the most part, sent a hard fork that added smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Contrary to what most people think, more than 100 really smart contracts were sent in the 24 hours after the hard fork was sent, which is a huge number. Horticultural groups use Cardano to track new crops that are mostly made from field to fork, while different items based on the stage make it possible to store educational qualifications in a sealed container. Cardano was created by Charles Hoskinson, who also helped create the Ethereum network. He is the president of IAC, the company that made Cardano's blockchain, which is very important in a meeting for CoinMarketCap's cry. Hoskinson said that he worked with digital currencies back in 2011 and played around with mining and trading, which is especially important. He basically said that his most important professional addition to the business came in 2013. When he made a course about Bitcoin, 80,000 students took it, or so they thought. Hoskinson is also a mathematician, which is a big deal. In 2020, his company gave ADA worth $500,000 to the College of Wyoming's Blockchain Innovation Lab. The project has put a lot of money into making sure that all new innovations go through a course of well-researched friend-to-friend research. This means that good ideas can be tested before they are accepted, which is different from what most people think. According to the Cardano group, this very scholarly thoroughness makes the blockchain strong and stable, which increases the chance that very potential most of the time. The price of Cardano broke the $3 mark and hit an all-time high of $3.10 in September, or so they thought. On Tuesday, the cryptocurrency markets were trading in the red ahead of the FOMC meeting on Wednesday. Bitcoin, BTC, plunged 2.04% to $28,056, while Ethereum, ETH, fell below $1,850. BTC volume was around $15.74 billion in the last 24 hours, a 13.55% decrease from the previous 24 hours. Bitcoin began the new week trading in the red as markets prepared for a busy week of economic events in the United States. BTC is currently trading at $28,000. It reached a high of $29,900 during the weekend. Investors are paying close attention to what the Federal Reserve says on Wednesday about whether or not it will raise interest rates, said Mudrex co-founder and CEO Edil Patel. The entire market value of all cryptocurrencies was around $1.16 trillion, up 1.51% in the last 24 hours. DeFi's total volume is currently $2.50 billion, accounting for 7.18% of all cryptocurrencies' total 24-hour volume. All stablecoins are now at $32.31 billion, accounting for 92.87% of the crypto market's entire 24-hour value. On the market, Bitcoin was worth approximately $543 billion. It was the world's largest cryptocurrency. According to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin's market share is now 46.67%, 0.23% lower than it was yesterday. Bitcoin has been strong, and it has grown in all 4 months of the year for the first time since 2013. It is currently in a short-term decline,